Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on crypto.com. First, download the crypto.com app from your preferred app store. Next, you will need to complete the identity verification process, also known as KYC, by providing necessary documents. This step is crucial for security and compliance. Finally, link a payment method, such as your bank account or a debit card, to your crypto.com account. This setup typically takes only a few minutes to complete. Once your account is set up, the next step is to fund your crypto.com wallet. You can deposit fiat currency, like US dollars, using a bank transfer or by linking a debit card. Be sure to check the specific deposit limits and processing times for your chosen method. Alternatively, if you already own crypto, you can transfer existing digital assets from another external wallet directly into your crypto.com account. This offers flexibility for your initial investment. Now for the exciting part, buying cryptocurrency. Within the crypto.com app, simply navigate to the Buy section. Here, you can browse a wide selection of digital assets. Choose your desired cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and enter the amount you wish to purchase. Before finalizing, carefully review all transaction details, including any associated fees. Once you are satisfied, confirm your purchase, and your new crypto will appear in your wallet. After purchasing, it's important to manage your crypto assets effectively. Your crypto.com portfolio allows you to view all your holdings and track their performance over time. You can also explore various options for staking or earning interest on certain cryptocurrencies, potentially growing your investment. Finally, understand how to securely withdraw your digital assets to an external wallet or convert them back to fiat currency when needed. Always prioritize security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.